how to disable the camera shutter click sound on iPhone 12. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to mute the stutter sound, you'll need to turn on the silent mode on your iPhone. You can do it by tapping on the switch on the left hand side. Just drag the switch and then you can see silent mode on notification, and then that's it. That's how you turn off the camera shutter click sound on your iPhone 12. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.